Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is 12:07 in Honolulu, 5:07 in New York on Wednesday, 11th day of December 2024, and this is the evening report for gold and silver. Well, it is getting to feel a lot like Christmas as well as the beginning of a new year, 2025, with gold trading higher for the last 3 consecutive days, gaining almost a full $100 this week alone. Gold has been on a tremendous upside surge this week, beginning on Monday with gold trading at $26.64 and currently fixed at $2,753.80 when factoring in today's gain of $32.30, equal gains yesterday and a smaller gain on Monday. We, of course, are long gold. We sent out a series of recommendations. We will cover that in a little bit more detail as we pull up some more charts. And gold's strength has come in conjunction with dollar strength. The dollar has been up for 4 consecutive days, very similar to what we see in gold, with the dollar index up strongly today at 106.68, surpassing what I consider to be a major technical level of potential resistance. It took that out today. The next real resistance does not occur till above 107. Before we go into particulars about our current trade, I do want to point out a couple of technical facts that I believe are exceedingly noteworthy in terms of the way gold is moving and possibly where it could go to. We're looking at our daily chart as a Heikin Ashi, or Japanese average chart. Look at the candle size today. That's probably the largest you've seen on the screen, and one of the larger moves that we have seen really since July as well as September of this year. These are exceedingly strong daily candlesticks, which means that the strength has steam in it and intrinsically could suggest that that will continue. Another very interesting fact is if you look at the recent high that came in on our B wave here, the closing day here and opening price here, you can see that today's candle took that out clearly and in fact hit a new intraday high. The last time we have seen gold trade at this price point is right before this dramatic fall that occurred at the beginning of November. So the fact that it is above this significant level at 27.43 to me suggests that we will see gold continue its upward momentum and climb to higher pricing. As you know, our current model has been assessing where we believe gold has come from since October of last year, which is when we believe that a bull count began, with waves 1 through 5 completing by the end of October. As we entered our corrective period, it seemed evident at first that we were going to witness some sort of simple A, B, C correction, whether that ABC turned out to be a flat, meaning that our C and our A wave had equal lows, or a zigzag, meaning that our C wave fell below the A wave. However, that was not to be, because what followed after a tremendous $90 fall on November the 25th, gold began to trade sideways, questioning what kind of correction were we looking at, because on a textbook case, it's a very rare occurrence to find an ABC correction in which the C is truncated. Corrections come in many shapes and sizes. There is even a term for when you have a simple ABC correction and the B wave actually goes above the fifth wave. That is called an irregular. There is no term that I'm familiar with except to say it's a truncated C that will describe what we're seeing here. We had a good indication of that on Monday, and that's when I talked about the fact that it seems prudent to go long February gold, and the reason behind that was, one, the low matched these equal bottoms in here, and secondly, but more importantly, the closing price came in above these real body tops. Of course, the market continued to rise. We did send out a trade alert to buy February gold at $2,720, placing a stop at $2,714. We were filled on the order, and as you can see, gold has really run a good distance from there, currently at $2,753. In the interim, we have raised our stops twice. All traders that are long either at 2,700 or 2,720. I believe in terms of our stops, follow our official stop placement. I recommend that all stops be at $2,737, maintaining your long February gold. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.